Put it in.
What are we making?
Bagel.
A bagel?
Yeah.
How?
Put it
Where do we put it?
in this.
In the toaster.
In toaster.
Here, you do one. You can do the next one, Vivi.
Okay.
Here you go. No, 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 not yet. Put this one in too. And the other one. Okay, now push it down. All the way.
All the way.
There, now you have to wait. Take your fingers off. So do you like to eat bagels?
Yeah. My favorite.
Okay, Vivian.
No. There more.
We don't need more.
Right there. And I thought yet it really hot. Let me for it. Let me for it.
Oh, Vivi, what are we about to do? Bagels in the toaster?
Yeah.
Okay, you put one bagel in. Good job. Now you put the other side in. Oh, nope, the other, put it in the other side. Okay, now push this down all the way, all the way.
Oh no.
There you go. Now we just have to wait. Good job, Viv. High five.
I see bagels.
You see
I
the
see bagels.
You see the bagels?
Yeah.
Wow.